Have a list of addresses that you want to dedupe? That is crazy easy using Excel's Remove Duplicates tool. Check this out. I've got this list of addresses, and I'm going to make sure that when I'm done, there are no duplicates. For safety, I'm going to copy all my content to a new tab. Alrighty then, let's go up to Data. On Mac, it's in the top bar rather than in the Data application itself. And then go down to Table Tools, and then Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will pop up, and I'll mark that my table has column headers and that I want it to check for duplicates in the address column only. We're kind of expecting duplicate cities and states, am I right? When I click OK, it will bloop quickly remove the duplicates that it can find. However, it only removed one address, and I know for a fact that there are more duplicates on this list. The main reason Excel can't find all of them is because these addresses were manually entered, so there's no standardization. Excel is looking for exact duplicates. It doesn't know if Avenue is the same as Avenue, or if Rainer Avenue is the same as Rainer Street. We can do that manually with lots of Google Maps searches, but I'll show you how we can fix this standardization issue in no time flat. Go to smarty.com or click the link in the description. Then, at the top, hover over Resources, and under Demos, select Bulk Address Validation. Select whether you're validating U.S. addresses, international addresses, or if you're looking to match zip codes to U.S. cities and states. In this example, we'll stick with U.S. addresses. Next, drag and drop your address file into the tool. Feel free to download the example file if you're curious about the best formatting to use. The free tool will allow up to 10 addresses. Doing more than 10 address lookups? Stay tuned. Once your addresses are squared away, select Process My List. The tool will spit out a file with your addresses all validated. To process more than 10 addresses at a time, you'll need a free Smarty account. I was able to run this whole list all at once because when you first sign up for a free account, you get 1,000 free lookups for free. And guess what? It was free. Also, there is a plugin you can get for Excel that will validate these addresses directly in the tool. You simply have to have a Smarty account with lookups in it. You can learn more about that in another video. Okay, I've pasted my process data in a new tab in Excel, and there are a ton of new columns, because Smarty gives you heaps of additional data for each address. In fact, you can see in my list that there are several marked as no match, meaning that if I were to send mail to that address, it wouldn't work. For more information on that, check out some of our other videos. Let's get back to removing those dastardly duplicates, eh? The first 3 columns that I pasted here are my original addresses, still with all their errors and non-standardizedness. But if I look over to columns H through L, those are the same addresses, but now they're all standardized. So I'll copy those columns and paste them over my second tab. Okay, check this out. My original data didn't have zip codes, but these new addresses do. All I have to do is do the same deduplication song and dance I did in the beginning of the video. Go to Data, and then Table Tools, and then Remove Duplicates. A Clippy-free dialog pops up, and I'll mark column headers and that I want to check for duplicates, only in the address column. This time, it did a much better job. There you go. That's how to use Excel to clean up your duplicate addresses.